Hey guys, welcome back. Are you looking for where to learn and earn? Then you need to watch this video to the end. In this video, I'm going to show you guys 3 Sats earning platforms that pays you while you learn. But before we continue, hit the subscribe button, like, and drop your comment if this video is helpful. So number 1 on the list is Satsman, which is the most popular one.
If you have been following my channel for a while, you know that I have made tons of video about this platform. So this is one of my best Sat earning platform that I've known so far. Very easy to navigate and very easy to earn. So before I continue, new users from Nigeria are not allowed to register. So but any other country can register on this platform. So all you need to do is to come to mission and you complete your daily mission. So far, I've already done my 3 missions. So if you're a new user, you'll be getting 3 missions every day to do, unless you upgrade to Pro or Pro Max. That's where you unlock other features. And a free user gets 7 stars per mission. A Pro user gets 12 stars, if I'm not mistaken, per mission, and a Pro Max user gets 21 stars per mission. After doing that, this is a new feature they added, which is a BTC price prediction. I've already got mine. Just put a random number, or you just need to know that I think that before from now to 8 o'clock, Bitcoin price is going to be that way. But if it gets the number right, you'll be getting 5,000 sats as a reward. So when you're a pro user, you will have to do this 5-letter word puzzle. So you choose the 5-letter word, and if you're correct, you receive your earning. Then the Pro Max user will have the advantage of the daily tile puzzle. So this is that correct balance, 72,800 sat, and in total I'm earning 122,621 sat on this platform. So the platform is very easy and very cool to earn. Here you can come and copy your referral links to send to your friends. To advise you, better you upgrade though. Upgrade to earn more. And also refer your friends to join so that you guys can earn together.
Number 2 on the list, if it's Satsman,
here also you will have to learn to get reward, or you answer quiz to be rewarded. It's also the same thing as Satsman, whereby each sat you earn every day have to stay 15 days before it can be verified and move to your available balance. So in my available balance, I have 35.50 sats, but total balance I have is 278 sats that I have earned. This one is a little bit slow than Satsman. It also gives users strike reward. When you complete 7-day strike, you'll be rewarded. When you complete 21-day strike, you'll be rewarded. When you complete 60 days, 90 days, 180, and 365 days, you'll get rewarded. But just that the payment here is a little than Satsman. So how do you earn? When you register using the link on the description box or on the pin message, you go to task. You'll be given what tasks to do, which I've already done it already. You fill in them on X, take a screenshot and paste it here for confirmation. So the next one is the quiz, which you are going to be doing every day. So you'll be getting 2 quiz daily, which is 10 sats. The first one is 5 sats, and the second one is also 5 sats. But whenever you make any mistake, they will deduct 1 sat from your mistake. So you have to read them through, research before answering your quiz. So they say what happens to transactions once they are confirmed and added to the blockchain. The first option is they become extremely difficult to alter or reverse, which is correct. So I'll click on neat and they'll check and you see that it's correct. So before you pick anyone, make sure you check it very well to know if it's correct or not. So the second one is what is a hash in blockchain terminology. So the first option is a mining reward, which is not. Second option is a type of Bitcoin wallet, which is not. The third option is a unique digital fingerprint generated from data, which is correct, and we'll click on it. So my answer was correct. So I have been rewarded with 10 sats. So it's going to be moved to my available balance. So when you check your dashboard, you see that I now have 288 sats. So that's basically how it was. When you want to withdraw, you click on wallets. The minimum withdraw on this one is 25,000 sats. So when you get to the minimum withdraw, I click on mask and you put in your Lightning invoice, which you can get on wallet or Satoshi Speed wallet, depending on any Sats wallet that you're making use of. Then you click on withdraw and you receive your payments.
Number 3 on the list is 21 rates.
This one, the minimum withdrawal is 5,000 sats, and it's also easy to earn. But before you register, make sure you turn on your VPN, because if you're a Nigerian person, make it a VPN. It's either United Kingdom or United States. If not, you will not be allowed. So after turning on your VPN, you register on the platform, then you start earning. So this is how your dashboard will look like. Already, I have 1,720 sats available, and you can click on Open Wallet to set up your withdrawal address. So you can insert your Speed wallet or wallet of Satoshi, anyone that you are making use of. You start it here, you put it here, and when you get up to 5,000 sats, you can make your withdrawal. So let's go back to the dashboard. How can you earn? Because that's the most important thing. You click on earn sats. So these are the ways that you can earn on the platform. Check in, YouTube channel, write a review, follow, referral. So these are the ways you can earn. And apart from these ones, there are also ways you can earn. To this 3 dash, you click on the earn part there. So here you answer questions to get paid. So in this section, we have 500 sats. So when you complete it, you will receive 500 sats. When you complete this one, you will receive 500 sats. So and so on. This one is 250 sats. This one is 500. So depends on, all you need to do is to just read them through, and they will ask you questions based on what you read. So that's how this one works. You sign in every day and you answer questions to get rewarded. So this is how you can get your referral link. You pick on SATs, you scroll down, there you can now copy your referral link. Take note, we have two SATs here. The one on the dashboard and the one on the tweet dash. This is where you can get your referral link and other sponsored tasks. And this is where you can learn and earn. So don't mistake them. They have two things they are doing. This one is for another one, this one is for another one. So when you join, take notes, don't forget, use your VPN if you're a Nigerian.
And for watching up till now. If you haven't yet subscribed, do it now and turn on your notification bell so that you will get notified when I drop the next video.